Hello everyone. Today's topic is breadth first search. Breadth first search क्या होता है? It starts from the root node, explores the neighboring nodes first, and moves towards the next level neighbors. It generates one tree at a time until the solution is found. It can be implemented using FIFO-Q data structure. This method provides shortest path to the solution. If branching factor equals to B and depth equals to D, the number of nodes at level D equals to B की power D. The total number of nodes created in worst case is B plus B square plus B cube plus 2B power D. तो इसकी then now algorithm क्या होगा? Create create a variable called node list and set it to the initial state until a goal state is found or node list is empty. Then remove the first element from the node list and call it E. If node list was empty, then quit. For each way that each rule can match the state described in E, do apply the rule to generate a new state. If the new state is a goal state, quit and return this state. Otherwise, add the new state to the end of the node list. So this is a diagram of that first search. First, A, this is a initial state at level 0. Level 1, you can expand next node B, then towards to C, then D. After the exploring and traverse unreached nodes adjacent to the starting node. जब हमने यहाँ तक कर लिया इसके बाद हमारे यहाँ आंसर नहीं आता तो हम कौन सी नोड पे जाएंगे? देन वी गो टू ई नोड, देन एफ नोड, देन जी नोड, देन एच नोड. So mark node as completed and move to the next adjacent and unreached nodes. Now this is depth first search. So depth first, sorry. Now advantages of depth first search क्या होंगे? Disadvantage, since each level of node is saved for creating next one. So it consumes a lot of memory space. Space requirement to store nodes is exponential. Its complexity depends on the number of nodes. So it can check duplicate nodes. Okay. Now depth first search. DFS is an algorithm for traversing or searching tree or graph data structure. The algorithm starts at the root node, selecting some arbitrary node as a root node in the case of a graph, and explore as far as possible along each branch before backtracking. It is implemented in recursion with LIFO, means last in, first out. A stack data structure. It creates the same set of nodes as breadth first method, only in the different order. As the node on the single path are stored in each iteration from root to leaf node, the space requirement to store nodes is linear with branching factor B and depth as M. The store space is Bm. Now the algorithm is, if the initial state is a goal state, if the initial state is a goal state, then quit and return success. Otherwise, do the following until success or failure is signed. First point, generate a successor E of the initial state. If there are no more successors, so signal failure. Call depth first search with E as the initial state. Next point, if success is returned, signal success, otherwise continue in the loop. So this is a depth first search. Explore a path all the way to leave before backtracking and explore the another path. सबसे पहले we have choose initial node A, then go to B, then go to D. After D, there is again next, there is no node available, then go back to the B node, then again towards the E node, to H node, the L node, then M, then N. After N, you must back to the H node to E node, then E to I to O to P, then again backtrack I to E, E to B, B to A to C, C to F. Then again backtrack F to C, C to G. Next G to G to K, K to Q. Okay, so this is the depth first search algorithm. Now comparison between DFS and BFS. DFS downward traverse in the tree. In BFS, performed by exploring all nodes at a given depth before moving to the next level. If in DFS, if goal not found up to the leaf node, backtracking occurs. इसमें क्या होता है हम backtracking occurs करते हैं. If goal not found, many nodes need to be expanded before a solution is found, particularly if tree is too deep. Preferred over BFS when such tree when such tree is known to have plentiful number of goal states, else DFS never find the solution. Find minimal path, length solution when one exists. Depth cutoff point leads to problem. If it is too shallow, goal may be missed. If set too deep, extra computation of such nodes is required. DFS will knock out off problem. Next point, since path from initial to current node is short, less space required. If depth cutoff equals to D, the space complexity equals to O in bracket D. Space complexity of DFS equals to O d raised to power D. Thank you.